Identify the given values, molar masses, and chemical equation. Reaction: CO2 plus 2LiOH gives Li2CO3 plus H2O mass of CO2 exhaled. 880 grams molar mass of CO2, 44 grams per mole molar mass of LiOH. 24 grams per mole. Convert the mass of CO2 into moles to determine how many moles of carbon dioxide the astronaut produces in one day. Divide the given mass by its molar mass. Moles of CO2 is equal to 880 grams over 44 grams per mole equals 20 moles of CO2 quad. Relate reactant moles using the stoichiometric ratio. Examine the coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. The stoichiometric ratio is 2 moles of LiOH for every 1 mole of CO2. Use this ratio as a conversion factor to find the moles of LiOH required to completely consume the carbon dioxide. 20 moles of county 2 times 2 moles of LiOH over 1 moles of CO2 is equal to 40 moles of LiOH quad. Convert the required moles of LiOH back into grams. Multiply the calculated moles of lithium hydroxide by its molar mass to find the final mass required. 40 moles of LiOH times 24 grams per mole equals 960 grams of LiOH quad. This calculation successfully identifies option D as the correct choice. The correct answer is option D, 960 grams.